tray tables and tablet holders are in their upright.
Well, I'm off again on another trip, but this time it's a group content trip. I'm lucky to live by the sea in California, where I get to create lots of content locally with so many pretty locations nearby, but I usually update brands when I'm traveling to shoot their products in new, beautiful settings all around the world. And I was itching for a February surf trip somewhere south to escape the cold, and after catching up with my surf buddies, it sounded like they were in need for a tropical escape too. We all have somewhat conflicting schedules, so we were brainstorming places we can all go to for a quick trip. The question is, where should we go? The requirements for this trip are that it's a short flight with fun surf, warm water, lots of scenic areas for content, and maybe tacos? Mexico is always such an easy call. I mean, it's literally right next door. But to really make the most of our time, we needed a spot somewhat close to the airport, or at least easy to get to. So the winning vacation is a quick getaway to Sayulita, a beautiful, colorful, and charming destination with playful and warm surf, and really good tacos. But here's the catch. We got kind of carried away reaching out to brands for this trip, and we've only got 2 models, 2 photographers, 3 days here plus a travel day, but 5 brands to shoot for. It's a lot, but we're already here and we're gonna make it happen somehow.
Palm trees. Palm trees.
Oh man, look at that zit. Yikes.
Yes.
We made it! Yay! Alright, this is our lovely home. We are staying at the casitas at Casa Pata Salada, right in front of Playa Sayulita. So this unit has a nice bathroom and shower. It has 2 big beds in this bedroom over here, a really nice sized kitchen, a big dining area for us to collaborate, and a really big patio which had so much sunlight during the day, so nice to hang swimsuits to dry. The other partial bedroom is there in that corner, and this casita was decorated with some really festive accents, true to that Sayulita vibe. And I think for the 4 of us, it worked out great for a short trip. But since we have so much on our plate, it's time to get the photo shoots going. First, we're shooting for PQ Swim and got so lucky with this incredible spot just steps away from our casita. It's all part of the property, and they even have a nice pool down below, which we'll get to later. But we absolutely scored with this backdrop, especially for shooting somewhere. Not only do we have this beach view, but just up a few steps, we have another area with vibrant walls and beautiful tropical plants. It's finally lunchtime and we were so hungry, and when we asked around for the best tacos in town, we kept hearing about Mary's. They have a huge menu with great prices, so if you're in Sayulita, I would recommend giving it a try. Another shoot done. Go team! Go team! We are all wrapped up and it's time to head back. Lucky for us, our home for the week is right here. That whole building makes up the casitas, so it extends from the top of the hill where we parked all the way down to the beach. And here is a pool with that beautiful view. Our enthusiasm for tacos led us to a rolled taco ice cream truck, so we got ourselves a little treat to end the evening. So pretty. I am winded because just went up all those steps. it is time for some location scouting, and we really should have planned an extra day for this, but here we are. Also, not a bad excuse to go try some more tacos. It's so easy to get inspired and come up with a billion ideas when the town looks like this. Today was also a work catch-up day, and some of us had long meetings, but I was in between projects, so I went down to the beach for a quick 10-minute sketch by the sea. Yeah, I fully regret adding the blacking. Oh well. Back in photo shoot mode, we're getting some stills for PQ Swim's apparel line in this beautiful golden hour. After wrapping up the shoot, we headed off to Dos Gardenias to get fitted for tomorrow's surf shoot. A girl can never have too many bikinis, and these are facts. This little guy knows. This is the most perfect fin board setup I've ever seen. Good morning. We are at Stinky's. Sun's out. Should be good.
Has to be horizontal and your Instagram has to be. I feel like a mom recording like this. Huh?
It's about 6 a.m. and we're going on a mini surf trip by boat to shoot our new swimwear. I wish I could tell you what this wave is called, but I had no idea. The plan was to go surf, and I didn't really ask much after that. I was just happy to go catch some waves. I just know we left by boat from a beach called Stinky's, and it was a short ride somewhere in the Punta Mita area. We caught some really fun waves and got the shots we needed, which is insane because there were about 6 or 7 of us that each had a few bikinis we had to surf in. So our photographer Josh did a great job given how hectic it got. After that, we headed back for a quick lunch before our next photo shoot. Photo shoot time. Where are we going? Jungle streets.
We're going
Flower streets.
down.
Somewhere over here. These are the pretty palm trees, like lush, deep green palm trees. Except it's not really showing up on my video. Trust me guys, it's nice. Just finished up the shoot, went super well, got a lot of really good pictures. Sunlight was really nice too. I'll show you guys. Kind of cloudy, but it actually worked out because the light was really, really soft and made our tans look really good, so yay. Oh, diggity. Ice cream. What is this? Oh. Another brand we're shooting for is Joby, and they make accessories for phones and cameras. So we got assigned a project for their C-Pal waterproof case, their shutter grip and dome, which we're super excited to test out. We just had to figure out how to assemble it first, which took longer than it probably should have because our brains were filled with saltwater and tacos. Thankfully, the brief was to capture one of us using the water housing and not the actual footage from the phone in the housing because I was a complete noob. So much respect for water photographers. This was so much harder than I was expecting. Just finished up shooting for Joby. We did a few underwater shots, got some footage of my friend surfing, and it was fun. Look how pretty it is. Just gotta pack my carry-on and my boards and maybe get a smoothie before heading out. So if you followed along this far, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next adventure. Bye guys.